the most key trait that people who want to be successful as a trader can have. And I think, if not the most number one trait that will make you a successful trader, is being resourceful. And you touched on a lot of good points in understanding what it is you do well, what it is you don't do well, and being able to head in that direction.
Right.
So many people get stuck in that vicious circle of, what's everyone else around me doing?
Right. And how can I do what they're doing?
And they end up just going from this one to this one to this one to this one to this one. And they never see anything through.
Right.
Resourcefulness is being able to say, here's what I know I'm good at. Here's what I know my friend Sean is good at. If I need something that I know Sean is good at,
right, reach out.
I'm going to say, hey, Sean, do you have a minute? If Sean doesn't have a minute, I'll go back to doing what I know I do the best. But being resourceful is very key.
There's really, there's only so many hours in a day. And I know that sounds very cliche, but that is true. And I just, as a trader, you have to be able to use your own abilities from within to figure out, how can I maximize my own resources? Because not all of us have. We started the show by saying, oh, if you're Elon Musk and you have, $100 trillion and you can just go to the bank and say, give me 100 trillion more.
Yeah. Trillion's a lot of money.
Yeah. Maybe billion, maybe half a billion.
You think he ends up being the first trillionaire?
I think Mr. Jensen Huang from NVIDIA has the chance.
Did you see he signed a very nice young,
it's $3 trillion.
Young ladies
what
chest area?
When did he do that?
At a restaurant
recently?
I saw an article that said
not recently.
No, it was. It looked
okay.
Maybe even this week.
The guy's out there having fun.
The title of the article was, "You'll know when the NVIDIA top comes in."
Right.
There will be will be signs, and it was a picture of him signing.
Yeah, well, it's at all-time highs today. Just broke through 1,200 and keeps on ripping up.
Jensen wins.
Always. Yeah, maybe. I think he could be eventually the richest guy. But again, it's all tied to stock.
Yeah.
So you'll see where that goes. No, I just think that you need to be good at what you're doing and understand what you're doing and understand where your advantages are within yourself and what you can offer others and how to use those resources to get the other resources.
Yeah.
In order to be a great sales guy, you need to be outgoing. So if you're an outgoing person, then reaching out face to face might be a great opportunity for you. Understanding that, maximizing that. If you're an introvert, then maybe going door to door and introducing yourself to your neighbors might not get you anywhere.
Right.
Because you're not accomplished. So why waste your time doing that? But if you are somebody that likes to do that, then go out, meet these people. Hey, maybe one of them owns a small business that is a passion of yours. Maybe they're looking for somebody. Maybe so the next thing you know, just because you yourself are a extrovert and you like talking, that can lead you down a path that you might not have known if you didn't utilize the strengths from within. If you're a very analytical person, then day trading, things like that might be great for you.
Yeah.
Analyze patterns, But if you're more of an arts kind of guy, like you like the feeling of, then looking at charts, you might be able to see different patterns developing just by looking at charts.
Yeah.
So then I would say you need to then maybe look for somebody that can analyze the numbers to pair with your ability to read the charts.
And give you an answer.
And go for it.
Yeah.
So right there, it's just you will then, all of a sudden, your profits could double by you doing nothing different other than understanding where your strengths were and how to use your strengths to go out and find something else.